Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where my goal is to show you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, which means you don't need your own products, you don't need to build your own brand, and you don't need to handle any shipping or customer returns. Your main goal is to send traffic to an offer that another entrepreneur created, and every time someone purchases through your promotion, you get a sale. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money as an affiliate on ClickBank with free traffic and a free website. But first, if you're new here and your goal is to make as much money as possible online, hit the like button and hit subscribe because regularly on this channel I upload content that can help you start an online business from scratch. So I don't care if you have an email list, a website, an Instagram account, or even your own product, the methods on this channel are designed to help you just to get started. And if you have a question, make sure you leave a comment below. I like to get on there and look at every single one of my questions within the first 24 hours, and I use those questions as content for upcoming videos. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and get into that today. I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of free websites and free traffic to grow your affiliate marketing business. But the first step is to have an offer to sell. So to do this, we're going to utilize a website called clickbank.com. Once you log in, you're going to create an account. And then you're going to click on the marketplace icon, and you'll see this entire list of offers you can promote as an affiliate. You can find the most popular offers by clicking on the search icon without actually typing anything into the search bar. And here you'll see all the most popular offers. Now, there are a lot of people who are willing to teach you how to just use and find the best performing offers with the highest gravity. Gravity is the term ClickBank used to tell how many different affiliates made money from this offer in the past few weeks. But here's the secret. None of this matters. What matters is finding a product that works within your niche, that looks good and has a solid sales page. Honestly, my encouragement for you is to find a product that you yourself would buy. Check out the sales page, maybe even buy it yourself to really get a feel on how to promote it. Take a look at all the niches and categories over here on the left-hand side, and just about every type of opportunity is listed here. For this example, we will search keto, which is a very popular diet right now. It has an average conversion of 5438, and it's a niche that I'm passionate about. As a side note, this offer may not exist or may even be the same when you view it. And that's because ClickBank is constantly changing and updating. One helpful rule of thumb is to search keywords that are trending on social media. There are all kinds of offers we can promote that people are actively looking for online. Okay, so now that we found a good product, we click on the promote button and we'll bring up this pop-up. Then we input a nickname, click on generate hop links, and it'll show you the link that you'll save for later, and this will be your personalized affiliate link. Now we're halfway there. Now that you have a product, sales page, and an entire delivery system, all handled through the creator of the project, your generate is now to generate traffic to that link. Now, as you're likely in the first stages of starting your online business, you may not have a lot of money to invest into paid traffic. You might not have a budget. You might have a small one. You could start advertising on Facebook, Instagram, etc. And then you can focus on the free methods to get traffic. But that's where phase two now is going to come in. And that's where we're going to be talking about how to get this traffic. We're going to use a really sneaky software that you don't even have to buy. It's totally free to use, and it'll help you get to the top of the search engines. And that is called sites.google.com. Everyone's heard of Google Docs, Google Sheets, maybe Google Forms, but not a lot of people that you can think of can build a completely free website through Google and on this platform. Again, it's sites.google.com. You can do /new. When you hop onto this platform, you'll see that there are already pre-made templates ready for you to customize as your own. And the beauty of this strategy is that because the websites are built by Google, they're incentivized to put them at the top if the content and quality is strong. So now that you've picked a product, you know how to build a free website. Let's talk about how to optimize this website so it'll get to the top of the Google search. And to do this, you're going to use some help from the product creator. I pulled up an affiliate resource page from the offer we found earlier, the custom keto diet. On this research page, they provide articles, emails, social media images, and more. This is a good example of a good company to partner with because they give you everything you need to start promoting and sharing their product. But what I really want to look at is this tab called Articles. These are written by the course creators themselves, so you know they're optimized for what people are most likely to search for and what generates the most sales. And the best part is it's 100% free to use. In fact, they want you to use them because they believe they're going to convert. And you can see from these articles right here, they're already giving you the headline to use at the top of the website and the content to put below it. Not only that, but you can check out some of the social media graphics and other resources. You can basically fill up this website with a ton of content. Now that you have an offer, a free site builder and content, let's talk about getting the site built. I recommend using the the photo portfolio template. Simply go in, change the images on the pictures, maybe fitness routines, look good looking food, healthy people. You can even use websites like pexels.com and insert your content. The more content your site has, the more likely it will rank on Google. Here's an example site you can model after yours. But I wanted to show you how this is to be used, because if you literally don't have a single cent to put in towards online traffic and business, you can still make this work. You can still find ways to make money online without paying a penny or creating a course or advertising. Now, is this method going to make you a millionaire overnight? No. In fact, I can't promise you this website will rank overnight. The free methods here do take time. They take time researching products, they take time building the funnel out, and they take time getting ranked. And while every single method does require work, there are ways that can shorten the span of time that it takes to make that first sale online. And that's why if you're a completely beginner, I recommend your partner with someone who has built a successful business before. To date, the best thing I've done is to join Anthony Morrison's Partner with Anthony program, or the PWA course. He walks you through a step-by-step sales funnel, email follow-up series, free funnels that you can use to get started, even provides you with quality high-ticket products you can offer. The best part, it's only $7 a month. That's like 2 cups of coffee or a Hulu subscription, except this course teaches you how to make money and build a successful business. For more information, click on the link in the description. And as always, thank you for viewing today's content, and I'll see you next time.